Well wishers, Har Har Mahadev, very interesting. My lucky charm. One is Hanumanji, and another is Spider-Man. Okay. Mr. Walchand Jain. Is in depression. I wanted to say something else. I try 99% to not use slang language. Is in depression. Why? A lot of things, friends, developed since the last video. He is in direct touch with Sri Sharad Pawar and Sanjeev Bajaj, one of their agents, whoever. He cannot be direct touch with them. Okay. Since Anjali Gilorkar had asked me, who's the one who will settle your matter out of court from day one to day end? I said, Walchand Jain. Okay. Settling is one part. It's legal. To settle a civil case is legal, not a criminal case, friends. Now, what is the offense? He is in direct touch, and here he was in direct touch with Abhishek Goyal. Several times. They exchanged hands for 10 crores. I cannot pay you, Mr. Chhabria will pay you 10 crores. I was thinking, why will I pay him? If I have to give him something as a friend, and if he's done something for me, some consultation fees. But you are a mediator, a conspirator, not a mediator, conspirator in discussing elimination of ma'am on the table with Abhishek Goyal. Now, Abhishek Goyal is absconding. Absconding. Does it matter? No, friends. A case will be registered. Walchand Jain had requested me, wait till Saturday. कुछ मत करो, नहीं तो मंडे को सब कर देना. Okay. He's told me this umpteen of times. Why? Why are you asking me to wait again and not proceed legally? दाल में काला नहीं है, पूरी दाल काली है. Yes, friends. Now, Abhishek Goyal came to me after the writ petition was filed, after the honey trap case was filed, after the financial fraud was filed. Not before that. So it is already before the Honorable High Court about ma'am, about Anjali Gilorkar, about the financial fraud, false policies, everything. Okay. Now the elimination of ma'am is troubling everybody. The last call I had with Abhishek about 2 to 3 weeks back, I don't remember the date. He tells me, sir, आपको तो कोई हाथ ही नहीं लगा सकता because of your सत्याग्रह. अब मैम को भी हाथ नहीं लगाएगा कोई, प्रोपेगेंडा इतना कर दिया आपने. So I saved ma'am. I knew it. Why I was doing it? I knew it. People were worried. People were annoyed. What is this man up to? I did it. Now ma'am is to save for a short period. The only one who can save ma'am is the Sagori. Only the Sagori. Nobody else. Now what will happen? Saturday is over today. One, I had to tell you all that Abhishek is absconding. They thought, whoever, Shri Amit Shah or Shri Sharad Pawarji, the Chanakyas, one Chanakya of BJP, one Chanakya of NCP. They've gone wrong. Abhishek has taken both the names in the meetings everywhere. And Sharad Pawarji has already been, through Ranjit Singh Moite Patel and through his brother's daughter, settlement, 2 meetings. Ma'am was also part of the story at the time of settlement, and I was invited to Delhi before Shri Amit Shah ji to settle. Why is our HM wanting to settle? IDBI. Yes, friends, IDBI, income tax, sales tax, lot of issues. And why is NCP worried, wants to settle? Because of Sanjay Bajaj. And Shri Sharad Pawar ji could be one of the main financiers of Bajaj, Finserv, Finance and Alliance. Who else is worried? Alliance SE. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everybody, all social media giant, everybody. How can they eliminate me? Okay, my recipe was rejected because I told you in the last video, friends, they couldn't hear me. If they don't hear me, I'll self-immolate myself. Okay, so there's a story, everything. I'm coming just to the facts now. Tomorrow, online filing, the private complaint. I've already told all parties, Abhishek Goyal, Walchand Jain, Sharad Pawar ji and Sanjay Bajaj. It is the job of the court or the police or the CBI or the CID or the CBI to come to a conclusion that there was nothing as such. Wow. How can they get that report? When I am the Karta Darta of the case. Without my statement, CBI cannot investigate. Or they shouldn't. Because once they file, whatever they file, the report, I am the one who will even call CBI in the witness box. And ये आगोरी किसी से नहीं डरता, किया ही नहीं ना कुछ गलत, एक झूठ नहीं बोलता, because for one lie there are several lies to be spoken. And a lot of people have failed promising me Saturday settlement, ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. Okay, होगा, ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है. Who will come before this agori now? Abhishek is absconding. Who will come? भेजने के लिए किसी को भी भेज सकते. They can send anybody in this world. They can. I'm down to earth. But कैसा करेंगे settlement, friends? I made this issue very big, public. Even the Honorable High Court, the judiciary is worried. Today's post, the financial scam is tip of the iceberg. जो समुद्र में ऊपर बर्फ का जो छोटा दिखता है, lot of people must be knowing, I know 90% know, small piece of ice you can see in especially towards North Alaska, wherever there is icebergs. लेकिन नीचे कितना बड़ा है मालूम नहीं ना फ्रेंड. दैट इज वाई टिप ऑफ द आई. अब वो पानी में छोटा स्मॉल पीस ऑफ आइस कैन बी सी. डीप इन इट इट्स अ माउंटेन. दैट्स व्हाई आई से टिप ऑफ द आइसबर्ग इज अ फाइनाइट. बड़ा क्या है? ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग. अंजलि गिलोरकर comes under human trafficking. Maybe she's eliminated already. All the more better. All the more better. Or she must have been parceled to one of the islands anywhere in the world. Ma'am, maybe kidnapped. Yes, friends. Before filing this, why are they asking me to wait? It's not the settlement. वो सब सीधा कर रहे हैं ना. क्या करेंगे सीधा? Before elections or out of elections? If it opens up after the elections, much worse. Man may be kidnapped. They cannot eliminate man. Even kidnapping is dangerous. I don't believe Abhishek. He said कभी कोई जाएगा ही नहीं मैम के बाजू में. So where is ma'am? Has she ever connected with me? Contacted? No. Coward? No. बुज़दिल. बचाएगा कौन? आगोरी. अगर शादी होता है किससे होना है? आगोरी. लेकिन अभी नहीं आएगा ना. अभी उनका पार्टी है. वो जैसा बोलेगा वैसा करेगा ना मैम. बचाएगा मैं. लेकिन मेरे से बात नहीं करने का, मेरे पास आने. अब क्या होगा? टुमारो कंप्लेंट फाइल. फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट विल हैपन आफ्टर दैट? You all can understand. 1 हफ्ता, 2 हफ्ता, 3 हफ्ता प्रोसेस इशू हो जाएगा. एक डेट पे जज छुट्टी ले लेगा, दूसरे डेट पे जज बीमार हो जाएगा, तीसरे डेट पे लाइट नहीं है कोर्ट में, व्हाटएवर. आई फेस दिस लॉट्स इन माय पास्ट. ये भी सब खुलेगा ना अभी जब सीबीआई में जाएगा. तो 1 वीक, 2 वीक, 3 वीक, 4 वीक, 5 वीक प्रोसेस तो इशू है. नहीं प्रोसेस इशू करता है हाई कोर्ट. Agori will go to high court, much worse. Okay. So now, Abhishek is absconding. Ma'am is reporting to them even today, coward, and does exactly whatever they say. Means she's their party. It will be very difficult for ma'am to answer me in the witness box. She has to. Because I can't see this settling. These Chanakyas are not so smart. जहाँ सच्चे आदमी के साथ पाला पड़ा है. A real man. नहीं चाहिए कुछ भी. जो मिलता है, जो देता है ना, ऊपर वाला देता है, महादेव देता है. I don't want anything from anywhere. जो नसीब में लिखा रहेगा मिलेगा, नहीं लिखा रहेगा नहीं मिलेगा. I'm happy no even today. I'm happy. Whatever. अरे नहीं भी रहेगा कुछ तो भी आई विल बी हैप्पी. रास्ते पे सोएगा, हमाली करेगा, टैक्सी ले लेगा, ओला उबर. आई एम वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ड्राइवर्स. एनीथिंग दिस आगोरी कैन डू. आई डोंट नीड एनीबडी. आई डोंट नीड एनीबडी. नोबडीज फेवर. तो ये चाणक्य दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं? घबरा गए. हु विल हैंडल दिस आगोरी? प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं दिल्ली के. Sorry friends, Delhi will have to follow protocols. Anybody can follow any protocol. I have no protocols. So friends, risky, dangerous for India INC, judiciary. They cannot put an end to this agori jab tak Mahadev has given me the job to do. Till that time, ना वो मेरे को मारेगा ना किसी के हाथ से मरवाएगा. आगे क्या होता है फ्रेंड्स? जस्ट अ फ्यू अपडेट्स आई हैड टू गिव यू ऑल. वॉट एवर हैपन्स आई विल कीप यू ऑल पोस्टेड. हर हर महादेव. जय कामाख्या देवी. माय लकी चार्म्स हनुमान जी एंड माय स्पाइडरमैन. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.